Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the 12 Days of Foundation day number 5. Today I'm going to be reviewing a foundation from Sephora that was really popular a little while ago and I bought it and never reviewed it. It's the Sephora Best Skin Ever. If you missed the past 4 days, I will have them all linked down below and there's a giveaway in every single one of them. I'm giving away a Sephora gift card for you to pick up whatever foundation or whatever you want for yourself. And be sure to subscribe. Timestamps down below. As we know, I'm told I talk far too much, so if you want to skip ahead, you can find those in the description box. But let's go ahead and get started. So if you're not familiar with this foundation, it comes in 50 different shades, which is amazing. And I end up about somewhere, I'm a little bit past the middle. I picked up shade 33N, which I had a little trouble picking out my shade just because there are so many shades and I didn't really test it out in store. So that's my bad. But it says it's for medium skin with neutral undertones. And I definitely do feel like this is pretty neutral. There's no peachiness to it or anything like that. So let's see how it kind of looks on my skin after I bronze it and whatnot. I've played around with this foundation, but not as much as I have some of the other ones. Retails for $20 American, 25 Canadian, which we love to see. And on the Sephora website right now, they're saying all of Sephora collection is actually 30% off until December 11th. So even as this video is going up, this is still 30% off. And I've reviewed a lot of Sephora collection in the past. One of my favorite things that they do are the cream lip stains. Shade 01 is a really great solid red. 54 Autumn Wind, one of my favorite fall lipsticks of all time. So I feel like Sephora collection tends to get overlooked. And then I also have my Sephora 56 Airbrush brush that I love a lot. So let's get this on my face. I did prime, and I like the bottle. It's a nice frosted bottle. You're getting 30 milliliters in there, I believe. Right? Oh, no. 25. Sneaky, sneaky. So not as much as the average size of a foundation, but a great price. So it's fair enough. It says it's natural finish, long-wearing hyaluronic acid in there, hydrating, medium coverage, and fragrance-free. They don't really have any claims on there for skin type. But it says it's got hyaluronic acid in there to hydrate and then some algae extracts. Algae extracts as well. Wow. But I think as you can see when I'm putting this on my skin, it has nice coverage, but definitely you can see it's neutral in its tone. And I'm not sure, let me look and see. So there's 31Y below it, which is for medium with yellow. That would be too light and too yellow. Then there's 33.5 for medium with yellow. Perhaps I could go 34.5N, which is medium with neutral a little bit. But I don't know, I like this. I think definitely in the winter too it'll work, but it looks really beautiful. I'm probably not going to build it up a lot more. I like that it has a little pump as well. But I feel like this is pretty true medium coverage. More than some of the other ones that I've reviewed lately that have been really more light medium. This is a pretty true medium, I think. And I'm using a sponge today, which differs the application a little bit. If you want more full coverage, you use a denser brush or to increase your coverage. I really love the way that this looks. I'm going to get very close to the camera again today and just show you how smooth it looks on my skin. I'm wearing the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which is not like a pore filling primer by any means. And I wouldn't say that I really have a big pore issue, but I do have some texture, some acne marks, some active acne, like right there. Popped that one this morning, my bad. But I think it looks really smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put on the rest of my makeup. I actually have the Kylie Jenner holiday collection. She started sending me PR, okay? And it's really cute. And I don't know, okay? Like, look at this deer, okay? I can't resist this. I can't resist this, but they make it harder and harder every day. So I honestly have liked all of Kylie's makeup so far. I won't lie to you. But anyways, that's not what we're here for today, but I'm going to go ahead and test that out. As I've been saying, I will upload an Instagram reel if you want to see that on my face, but I really do love the way that this foundation looks. I think honestly I could probably really wear it on its own without any concealer or anything like that, just because the shade match looks quite good. But let me go ahead, I will take my photos for a flash photo test, put on the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have the rest of my makeup on now, and I think the foundation looks really good. The amount that it kind of covers, the smooth look that it gives on my skin, I just think it looks really, really nice. And I love that price tag, especially in Canada. If you go to Shopper sometimes, drugstore foundations is absolutely hitting $25 sometimes, and especially with that 30% off, it's a great time to pick some stuff up from the brand if this is intriguing you. But I think it looks really good. When I did my photo test, I thought it looked great as well. I think you can see there's like a natural sheen to my skin, but definitely after I powder it, it is quite matte. But that, of course, you use a different setting spray or a primer. I think I've also seen perhaps people who have drier skin mixing either their primer or an oil into this foundation. I'm pretty sure I saw Makeup by Cheryl do this. I mean, I could be lying, but I know she does love this foundation either way, and she has a dry skin type. But I think it looks really good. And then in Flash Photo, I was kind of expecting it to have flashback for some reason, but I think you can see it looks quite good. So as always, I will have my tutorial for this look linked down below, and then everything that I'm wearing will also be linked and listed. This is my first time trying a Kylie Jenner lipstick, and it's kind of nice. Anyways, but I will wear this foundation for a couple more hours and I will check back with you in some natural light. Checking in to show you how things are looking, and first off, I've had breakfast and lunch, so the Kylie lip has held up. But as for the foundation, I think it looks really good. It feels really good. I'm not sweaty or oily or anything, but I have just been kind of like editing and doing sort of things around the house. The daily uploads, I'm doing daily advent calendar opening on TikTok. So I've got a David's Tea one, a Voluspa candle one, which I love. It's on sale from Sephora, highly recommend, and one from L'Occitane, so if you want to see it there. But yeah, I really, really love the way that this is looking, so I'll check back with you this evening. Coming to you at the end of my makeup day, and I think things look really, really good. This is probably the foundation that I have maybe the least experience of the first 5 days of foundation, and I'm really impressed with this. No setting spray. I didn't do anything particular to try and make it last, and I just think it looks really great. I love the coverage. I really like the shade match for myself. As soon as I had the rest of my makeup on, I think it looks great, so I would recommend that shade if you tend to like my shade and you do, you know, lean a little bit more neutral. Perhaps you might want to go for one of the warmer ones if you're warmer, of course. But I do think the majority of skin types would like this, but definitely you want to, as I always say, just kind of prep differently. You're going to want to hydrate a little bit more, maybe toss in a little oil or a nice illuminating primer into that. I think it would be beautiful. I'm going to try that for myself as well. Really buildable coverage, light to medium, and a pretty strong medium at that. And the fact that it's such a great price tag with a great shade range. I want to try the concealer from this line as well. Unfortunately, I don't have it here with me today, but I'm really, really happy with this, and I'll definitely be wearing it again. And I love the this concise little packaging, so definitely a win from the Sephora collection. But thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!